Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to reset your GMC Yukon's oil life. First, ensure your vehicle's ignition is in the on position, but do not start the engine. This allows you to access the necessary menus without the engine running. Next, locate your vehicle's information display, usually found on the dashboard. You'll need to navigate through the options until you find the screen that shows the current oil life percentage. Once you've found the oil life display, the next step is to initiate the reset. For many models, you'll press and hold the Set or Enter button or a similar control on your steering wheel or dashboard. Keep holding this button down. You should see the oil life percentage begin to change or flash. Continue holding until the display shows 100%, indicating a successful reset. After releasing the button, double-check that the oil life display now clearly indicates 100%. This confirms the reset was successful. Then, turn your vehicle's ignition completely off. Wait a few moments, and then restart the engine. This allows the system to fully cycle and confirm the new oil life reading. Make sure no oil life warnings or messages reappear on your dashboard. Remember, always perform an oil change before resetting the oil life monitor to ensure proper maintenance. Resetting it without fresh oil can lead to premature wear. Your owner's manual is also a fantastic resource for specific instructions tailored to your GMC Yukon model, as procedures can vary slightly. For those who love to read, check out the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.